In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install MetaTrader 5 on PC. By the end of this guide, you'll have MetaTrader 5 fully downloaded and installed, and you'll be ready to move on to setting up your trading account. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in how to install MetaTrader 5 on PC and press enter. This will take you to a Google search results page related to installing MetaTrader 5. On the results page, look for the official MetaTrader 5 website. You should see a result that mentions downloading the MetaTrader 5 trading platform for free. Make sure it's from the official MetaTrader or MetaQuote's website so you know you're getting a safe and legitimate installer. Once you've identified that official result, click on the link that says something like download the MetaTrader 5 trading platform for free. After you click that link, you'll be taken to the MetaTrader 5 download page. Here, the site will usually detect that you're on Windows and show you a download button specifically for that system. Find the button that says Download for Windows and click on it. Your browser will begin downloading the MetaTrader 5 setup file, usually to your default downloads folder. When the download is complete, open your downloads folder and locate the installer file. It will typically have a name related to MetaTrader 5. Double-click the file to run the installer. If your computer asks for permission to allow the app to make changes, click Yes to continue. Now, follow the on-screen prompts in the installation wizard. You'll usually be asked to agree to the license terms and choose an installation location. In most cases, you can leave the default options as they are and simply click Next or Install. The installer will then copy all the necessary files to your system. This may take a minute or two, depending on your computer. Once the installation finishes, you'll see a confirmation screen and you may be given the option to launch MetaTrader 5 right away. Make sure that option is checked if you want to open it immediately, then click Finish. MetaTrader 5 should now start up and you'll see the main interface on your screen, ready for you to log in or create a new trading account.